Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a what's on my iPad Pro, and I will be showing you guys the apps and features that I use on my iPad, which is mostly for school and art related stuff. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it, and let's get started. So I have the new iPad Pro in 11-inch, and I got this recently last August, and I was really waiting for it since March, pero it took a while to get here in the Philippines. I bought these with my own money, and I'm super happy that I got to purchase an iPad for myself. I bought my iPad in Power Mac Center and my Apple Pencil from Alsa Gadgets. My iPad case is from Shopee, and also my Apple Pencil cover and paper like matte screen protector. I'll be linking these accessories down below as well. Here are just some of the features I love to use with my iPad. First, I have my iPad on Do Not Disturb every night so I don't get blasted with notifications. I also have my Assistive Touch turned on, and I have a screenshot shortcut because it's really convenient to have it there. I also have my screen on more because I can see my widgets whenever I use my iPad in landscape mode. Some of the shortcuts I use are swiping to the left to transfer to another app and swiping up to close an app. You can also minimize your keyboard as well if you're having a hard time typing with a wide screen. The best feature for me is the split screen. I can have two apps side by side or floating, which is really convenient to use. You can also do split screen on the same app as well. Moving on to my dock, these are the apps I mostly use and interchange when doing split screen. I have Settings, the Notes app, and the two bookmarks for school, such as the CRS portal and the Ouvlet. Beside this is my Gmail app. But my most used app is Goodnotes. This is where I write digitally and use my digital planner. By the way, I made this planner plug lang. Hit me up because I sell digital planners and notebooks. I can also customize it for you. Anyway, this app is convenient to use because it's easy to write on. And you can also change the colors of your text and highlight or add photos as well. Next is my Notion. I have shown this to you guys, but I'll be inserting a card above if you're interested to watch and see the Notion templates that I use. But I'll be also inserting the templates down below. Next is my G Calendar. This is where I keep all my deadlines, agendas, meetings, honestly everything. So, G Calendar is my life. And the last app on my dock is Safari. Let's move on to my main screen. So as you can see on the left side, I have my widgets. So these are mixed with my Apple apps and the widgets I have from apps such as Google Calendar and Class App. I'm also using widgetsmith for more customized widgets to add onto my screen. Personally, I use this on my phone as well, and there is a variety of designs to choose from. So you can change the font color, the style, and put borders and images on the widgets as well. Moving on to my screen, as you can see, my screen is just one because I didn't want to have more than one screen because I want to keep it clean and organized. And I categorize my apps into shelves. So the first shelf is my Apple related and random app stuff. So I have here my camera, photos, the calculator, Zen flip clock, and speed test. Inside the folder are just really random Apple stuff. Next is my school shelf. So this 5 apps are the most used apps I have for school, such as Moodle for Ouvlet, and Google Drive, Google Classroom, Sheets, and Docs. Inside the folder, I also have Google Slides, Adobe Acrobat, Google Meets, Quizlet, Keynote, Dictionary, Books, Class Up, and Files. I also keep the Files app here because this is where I can access my desktop through iCloud Drive, so I can see all the files I have from my laptop. The next shelf is for my pics or photo related editing software or my digital art apps. So You can see PixArt, this is where I just edit collages, and Canva for PowerPoints or posters because they have a lot of templates. Next is InShot. This is where I edit short clips or videos such as my teaser whenever I post a new YouTube video. And the next app is Duet. So this is where I can use my iPad as my next screen or my second screen for my laptop. And lastly is Procreate. So this is where I do most of my digital art. I can also import Photoshop files and edit it from here. So it's really convenient, and you can add your own fonts and make your own brushes. Inside this folder, I have Adobe Sketch, Planoly, Premiere Rush, Adobe Draw, Snapseed, and Adobe Fresco. Moving on to my next shelf is my social media app. So I have Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Inside the folder, I also have Pinterest, Telegram, Spotify, Twitter. I also have Zoom, Discord, Netflix, Business Suite, YouTube Studio, Shopee, Lazada, and Splitwise. So in Business Suite, this is where I have my Facebook page. So this is where I can access my Facebook page and post stuff, see the analytics, everything. This is just the upgraded Facebook page manager. My last dock is for my games. So I just have a few games, but I mostly use Family Style and Among Us. But I also have Mobile Legends, Sudoku, and Snake.io. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it, and thank you for watching.